I still remember the night you said goodbye. Tried to be strong, but I couldn't hide my eyes. You took your love and walked away so slow, left me with memories I don't know how to let go. Your picture's still sitting beside my bed, 1,000 things I wish I could have said. I gave you my heart, I gave you my trust. Now I'm talking to the moon, because talking to you is lost.
Maybe we were meant to love, but not forever, not enough. I try to hold on to what we had,
but sometimes love can turn so sad. Now I'm dancing with my heartbreak, moving slowly through the pain. Every time I hear your name, I feel the sunshine turn to rain.
You were my home, you were my dream. Now you're just a memory.
And though my heart still calls your name,
I know I'll never love the same.
I used to wake up with your arms around me. Now there's an empty space where you used to be. I wonder if you ever think about those days when we were young and lost inside our own little place. I don't blame you, I don't blame me. Some chapters end so we can finally breathe, but healing takes a little time, and I'm still learning how to leave you behind. Maybe we were meant to meet, maybe love was incomplete. You gave me memories I'll never erase, even if I can't see your face. Now I'm dancing with my heartbreak, moving slowly through the pain. Every time I hear your name, I feel the sunshine turn to rain.
You were my home, you were my dream. Now you're just a memory.
And though my heart still calls your name,
I know I'll never love the same.
if you ever miss me, don't be afraid.
Just remember all the promises we made.
I won't come knocking at your door, but a part of me will love you forevermore.
And if someday we meet again, I hope we smile like old friends. No anger, no tears, no blame.
Just two hearts that survive the rain.